Nothing says comfort like warm mahamri fresh out of the pan. These golden mahamris are sweet, soft, airy, and full of flavor. This pairs well with a hot cup of chai, coffee, or mbaazi za nazi. Let's make this coastal classic together. To get started, we are first going to activate our yeast. Here I have 1 cup of warm milk. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything well until it's nicely incorporated. Cover it and let it activate for about 10 minutes. Next, let's mix our dry ingredients. In a bowl, you are going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by cardamom powder, ghee, but you can also use butter or margarine, and mix well to make sure that there are no lumps. Our yeast mixture has already activated. We are going to add it to our dry ingredient and mix it well. Now I'm just using my hands to knead for about 5 to 8 minutes until the dough is soft and smooth. You can always use a stand mixer if you have. Our next step, we are going to prove our dough. Lightly oil your pan to prevent it from sticking on the dough while it's proving. Cover it and let it rest for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Our dough has doubled in size. Give it a light punch and knead it for about 1 minute to deflate all the air that has built up. Next, transfer the dough into your working space and cut it into 4 pieces. Roll out your dough about 1/2 inches thickness. Cut it into triangle or your preferred size. Over medium heat, fry your mahamris until golden brown on both sides and do not overcrowd the pan. Make sure your oil is not too hot to avoid burning on the outside before cooking in the inside. And just like that, the mahamris are ready. Serve them warm with chai or coconut beans. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Watch more cozy recipes on my channel. Bye!